Literally just snap it off and then put it right back on your chest mount and you're good to go. Hello and welcome to V-Sample. In today's video I'm going to be looking at the Ulanzi mounts or adapter mount. So I just got this from Amazon. I'm going to be doing a quick review for you guys, so be sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you're new. That helped my channel out a lot because I don't have a lot of subscribers. So. And if you like the video, that's fine if you just do that. Greatly appreciate it. So this looks like, okay, they say this feels like good plastic, high quality. Yeah, that's kind of, doesn't feel like this is gonna break anytime soon. This is good quality. All right, let's go on to the other mount. Like I'm pressing on this, you see a little bit of wobble, but yeah. Okay, so that's why I didn't want to pull it. It has a magnet. Well, that's nice, and it feels like there's some tension when you go like that, so it's not gonna just untwist on you. That's cool, and the magnet also helps. So it has a little bit of force. This is gonna be really handy. And let's so we have this piece right here. Let's go like that, and you're good to go. That feels nice. This would be nice for like a chest mount or something, or a tripod. So you put it on your chest mount kind of upside down because you want it to be, if you're riding a bike, I mean. Oh, that's nice. And then you can quickly unhook it. And the magnet, it kind of makes me not worry too much. I forgot about that. So even if it was to untwist like that, it could fall out, but not as easily. You definitely might be able to feel it jiggling, so a little bit, or moving. I'll have to update you on that. Let me grab something real quick. Okay, so I grabbed my little GoPro L mount adapter thing. So let's hook this guy on here. And get an idea of what that'll look like. So you take it off like this. Out pretty well. This only costed like 10 bucks. The other thing that comes with it, the other one of these, go like this. Connect it to your tripod. Just like that. Bam, dude. That's gonna save so much time.